Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your system has a driver that is locked to manufacturer applications, then please watch this video. Now, this could happen with a network driver, display driver, graphics driver, sound driver, any driver, but it would be specified which driver is problematic. Now, the main solution to this is to download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. Now other guides and other channels are suggesting that check the OS specifications, etc, etc. The answer is very simple. The problem is that your system's manufacturer launched a certain set of drivers, and those drivers are not sent to Microsoft, or not sent to Intel at that point of time. So a mere Windows update cannot solve the problem, and downloading it from the Intel website cannot solve the problem either. So simply go and download it from the manufacturer's website. For example, the manufacturer of my system is Asus. Okay, so I'll search for Asus drivers. If it was Dell, I would search for Dell drivers and go to the Dell website, HP website, or Lenovo website, but I'll show it on the Asus website. The procedure is same no matter which brand it is. So you'll have to type the model number of your laptop or desktop, not the desktop but laptop, and then you'll have to click on this option here. Okay, so if you don't know where to find the model number, it is at the bottom of your laptop, and then click on drivers and tools, and then you can scroll down, and let's say that the issue was with the graphics card drivers. I will install them and then I'll click on open. Okay, it will start installing the drivers and then it will open them and install them directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.